fellow rebels, and welcome back to the channel. And we're just going out for a spin today. I don't think we've been out for about, I've been out for about 2 weeks. With the way the weather has been, with the frost and ice and all that kind of crack. So today's the first day. It's actually 6 degrees, but it actually feels tropic because we have to get out on the bike and the ice has melted away for today anyway. So going to get a bit of fuel first and then head on to Leamy Bryan, see what the weather's like, and then I'm going to go to Dungarvan, maybe, to see what the weather's like, and maybe have a look at some of the Christmas stuff there. So let's go, or let's fuel up more accurately. So look forward to today's spin. I was mad for a spin the last few days, but the weather wasn't playing ball. So there's a fine line between bravery and stupidity. So I went for the less fashionable one of not going on the bike. And yeah, with the weather being the way it is, it's too risky. You know, especially this time of the year with the amount of traffic that's on the road as well. And people are generally not paying full attention around this Christmas festive period, so took the decision not to go out on the bike. Nice horse. Thank you. I must say fair play to everybody who's been out in this weather, who their only transport is the 2 wheels. Fair play to you, and I hope you got it done safely and didn't get any damage to yourself or your bike. It's a different world, isn't it, when this is your only mode of transport. Luckily enough, it's not mine, my only mode of transport, thank God for that. But if it was, you'd make it work, wouldn't you? But still though, kudos to all those bikers out and about and across the world that go on their bikes day in, day out. Woo! You feel that cold now. You feel that cold. I've recently looked into, obviously shorts is a big thing now here on YouTube. So I said I'd try my hand at, you know, putting up some shorts and stuff like that. So I put up one there the other day, and there's like, I'm counting, this is Saturday, so I'm counting it was nearly 4,000, like 3.9k viewers on it. So it's got me a new few subscribers. So welcome to the channel and thank you for subscribing. Hopefully we get further into Ireland, around Ireland next year, 2023, as in the promo video is. You know, so we'll have a look at that, and if you haven't seen the promo video yet, it's up. It's on my page obviously, and I'll link it up here as well so you can see it. And yeah, so look, we have the plans. Hopefully the fuel doesn't go sky high like it did last year and scuppered any plans of long journeys and stuff like that. So hopefully it goes the way we want it to go. So I'm thinking I might go to Dungarvan and go to Cafe Bliss. You would have seen I've been there if you look back in the videos. I was up there a couple of months ago and it was lovely. The staff are really nice and lovely, and I've followed them on Instagram since. So I see that they have homemade mince pies and stuff like that with a little dusting of snow. So I'm thinking of stopping there, have a cup of tea and a mince pie. So 'tis the season. Really glorious, blinding but glorious at the same time as well. It makes the whole place look so beautiful. Even though we went out this road so many times, it's still, the sun in the winter just makes everything that much crisper and warmer. left over there is where Cafe Bliss is, just down the street, and we go there on the way back. On the way back. No way to change accents there, or way I said that differently. I literally cannot see anything. Woo! It's a whole lot colder up this way. Oh man. It's a good drop in the temperatures here. It'll be interesting to see what temperature it is when I stop now in a minute. Let's see how cold it is. 6 degrees. Ha, you're lying. Doesn't feel like 6 degrees, that's for sure. Ah, some view, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. On a cold, crisp December afternoon. Maybe 6 degrees, but the wind chill factor is definitely dropping it down to 2 anyway, 1 or 2. Whew. Somewhere. Okay. Should do.
Back in your wallet. Electricity Deise. Should leave it a good deal of dry and sunny weather this afternoon, although some showers will.
Right, that was lovely. I actually got me some mince pies to come home with as well. So yeah, happy days. Nice big pot of tea and some mince pies. Oh, right, let's head back home now. Actually getting temperatures dropping there now, so head home out the gap. Before I head home, I want to say hello to my nephew Max. Told him I mentioned him on the next video. He's buzzing, so and Jamie Flynn, Jamie, if you're watching, thanks for subscribing. You didn't know I had a channel, now you know, so expect you to watch all the videos. But yeah, big hello to Max anyway, avid watcher of the channel, so how are you, Max? So I don't know if this will be the last video of the year, but if it is, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you don't celebrate Christmas, I would just wish you a good, safe holiday period, and Happy New Year, and I hope your 2022 is really good, and I hope it's even better in 2023, and I hope you can come along with me on my journey and I'll share it with you along the way.